Everyone dreams of owning a home, maybe even building a small property empire, but most people stop before they start, thinking you need a mountain of cash. You check your bank account, see a few digits, and the dream feels out of reach. Life's expenses keep piling up, and saving for a down payment seems impossible. So, the dream gets shelved, filed away as, maybe one day. But what if I told you that needing loads of money is just a myth? With the right plan and a bit of creativity, you can start your real estate journey, even if your pockets are empty. Here's the secret. You don't need your own money to get started in real estate. Thousands have done it by using other people's money, time, and skills. Your job: be the one who brings the pieces together, like a film director assembling a cast. Find a good property, connect with someone who has the cash, and team up with someone who can fix it. Everyone wins and you don't need to put in a penny. It's about resourcefulness, not riches. Anyone can do this, no matter your background. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a real path to building wealth from zero. Let's talk about house hacking. A simple, powerful way to start building wealth, even if you don't have a lot of money saved up. House hacking is a strategy that's helped thousands of people get their foot in the door of real estate, and it's surprisingly accessible for beginners. The idea is straightforward. Buy a small multifamily property, like a duplex or triplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others. This way, you're not just a homeowner, you're also a landlord, collecting rent from your neighbors. The rent from your tenants helps cover your mortgage payment, property taxes, and even some of your utilities. In many cases, the rent is enough to pay your entire mortgage, so you're living for free, or close to it, while building equity and saving money every month. You might think you need a huge down payment, but with government-backed loans like FHA, you can buy a property with as little as 3.5% down. That means you don't need to wait years to save up a massive amount of cash. And if you're worried about coming up with even that small down payment, don't stress. Many lenders allow you to use gift money from family or friends, or take advantage of down payment assistance programs designed to help first-time buyers. Take Alex, for example. He worked at a coffee shop, earning a modest income and renting a small apartment. He thought owning a home was out of reach. But Alex learned about house hacking, saved up a small down payment, and bought a duplex. He moved into one unit and rented out the other. Suddenly, most of his housing costs disappeared, and he started saving more than ever before. Within just a few years, Alex was able to buy a second property, all without ever needing a huge pile of cash. He built wealth, gained valuable experience as a landlord, and set himself up for long-term financial freedom. House hacking is a smart, realistic first step for anyone who wants to start investing in real estate. It's a proven path that works, even if you're starting small. So if you want to live for free, save money, and build your future one property at a time, house hacking might be the perfect way to begin your journey. Next up, wholesaling. This is one of the most accessible ways to break into real estate, even if you don't have a big bank account or perfect credit. Wholesaling is all about using your resourcefulness and hustle, not your savings. It's perfect for those starting out with little to no money or credit. You don't need to buy a house, fix it up, or take out a loan. Instead, you're using your time and energy to spot opportunities others might miss. Here's how it works. You find a great deal on a property. Maybe it's a fixer-upper or a house someone needs to sell quickly. You get that property under contract, which means you have the right to buy it at a set price. Then, instead of buying it yourself, you sell that contract to an investor for a fee. Think of yourself as the connector. You're not the buyer or the seller, you're the matchmaker, bringing together motivated sellers and eager investors. Take Maria, for example. She's a stay-at-home mom who wanted to earn extra income but didn't have cash to invest. Maria spotted a neglected house in her neighborhood. She talked to the owner, got the property under contract, and then found a local builder interested in fixing it up. By selling her contract, Maria made thousands of dollars, without ever owning the property or swinging a hammer. What did it take? Mostly her time, persistence, and people skills. She spent hours researching, making calls, and building relationships. Wholesaling rewards those who are willing to put in the effort and keep learning. At its core, wholesaling is about solving problems. Sellers get quick solutions, buyers get investment opportunities, and you get paid for making it all happen. There are no banks to impress, no renovations to manage, and no need to risk your own money. Just hustle, creativity, and a willingness to help others. Wholesaling is a fast way to earn cash, build your confidence, and learn the ropes of real estate from the ground up. Every deal teaches you something new. The best part? Anyone can start, right where they are, with the skills and connections they already have. Wholesaling is your entry point into the world of real estate. Partnerships are a game changer. Team up with someone who has what you lack: money, time, or skills. You find the deals, your partner brings the cash, and you split the profits. Tom and Jerry did just that. Tom found and fixed up a house. Jerry funded it, and they both profited. Partnerships let you get started with nothing but effort and determination. It's about combining strengths and sharing rewards. Find the right partner, and you can build a business from scratch. Teamwork makes real estate possible for anyone. So, where do you find deals and partners? Look for motivated sellers, people who need to sell fast. Drive around, check online listings, or put up "We buy houses" signs. Be proactive and let people know you're looking. For partners, attend local real estate meetups or investor clubs. Introduce yourself, share your goals, and listen. You'll meet people with money but no time, looking for someone like you. Don't forget your own network. Friends, family, even your dentist could be your next partner. Be honest, enthusiastic, and ready to solve problems. Opportunities are everywhere if you're willing to look and connect. The dream of owning real estate isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone willing to take action. No matter your background, your age, or your current financial situation, the first step is always the same: believing that it's possible for you. The world of real estate can seem intimidating, but remember, every successful investor started with a single decision to try. We've covered house hacking, wholesaling, and partnerships, real strategies used by real people. These aren't just theories. They're proven paths that have helped countless beginners get their foot in the door. Maybe you're drawn to living in a multi-unit property and renting out the other units, or perhaps you're interested in finding great deals and connecting buyers and sellers. There's a strategy out there that fits your unique strengths and situation. You don't need to know everything. Just pick one approach and take a small step. The most important thing is to move forward, even if you're unsure. Every journey begins with a single action, and momentum builds with each step you take. Drive a new street, make a call, or attend a meeting. These small actions might seem insignificant, but they open doors to new opportunities and connections. Each time you put yourself out there, you're building confidence and learning more about the process. Alex, Maria, and Tom all started with nothing but a dream and determination. They didn't have special advantages or insider knowledge. What set them apart was their willingness to keep going, even when things got tough. They learned, adapted, and kept their eyes on the goal. They faced setbacks, but each no brought them closer to a yes. Every rejection was a lesson, and every obstacle was a chance to grow stronger. Success isn't about never failing, it's about refusing to give up. The ladder to success is right in front of you. It might look tall and daunting, but every rung is a step you can take. The only way to reach the top is to start climbing, one step at a time. Don't just look at it, take that first step. Action is what separates dreamers from doers. Even if you feel nervous or unsure, remember that progress comes from moving forward, not standing still. You have nothing to lose and a world of opportunity to gain. The possibilities are endless for those who are willing to try. Your journey might start small, but it can lead to places you never imagined. The big dream is waiting. Go on. Today's the day to start climbing. Your future self will thank you for the courage you show right now. Take that first step and watch how far you can go.